Looking for the perfect travel camera? Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, bustling cityscapes, or candid moments, the right camera can make all the difference. Welcome to Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no border. In this video, we'll break down the best travel cameras for every type of traveler, from compact options to professional-grade gear. Whether you're a casual explorer or a serious photographer, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When choosing a travel camera, there are a few key factors to keep in mind. First, portability and weight are crucial. Lightweight and compact cameras are ideal for travelers on the go. Next, image and video quality matter a lot. Look for high resolution, great low light performance, and stabilization for sharp photos and smooth videos. Battery life is another important consideration, especially for long travel days. Durability and weather resistance are essential if you're into outdoor or adventure travel. And finally, your budget plays a big role. Thankfully, there are excellent options for every price range, so you don't have to break the bank for quality. First on our list, the best compact travel camera, Sony Cybershot DSC-RX100. The Sony Cybershot DSC-RX107 is our top pick for a compact travel camera. It's small, lightweight, and fits easily in your pocket, making it perfect for travelers who want to pack light. Despite its size, it delivers excellent image quality thanks to its 1-inch sensor and 24 to 200mm zoom lens. It also shoots 4K video and has fast autofocus, making it great for capturing spontaneous moments. This camera is best for casual travelers who want DSLR-like quality without the hassle of interchangeable lenses. Next, the best budget-friendly camera, Canon Powershot G7X Mark II. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II is a fantastic choice. It offers great image quality, especially in low light, thanks to its 1-inch sensor and bright f1.8 to f2.8 lens. It's compact, easy to use, and features a flip-up screen, making it perfect for vlogging and selfies. This camera is ideal for travelers who want solid photo and video performance without spending a fortune. Another great option is the best mirrorless camera, Sony Alpha A7 Mark III, with 28 to 70mm lens. For travelers who want professional quality shots without the bulk of a DSLR, the Sony Alpha A7 Mark III is a standout choice. It features a full-frame sensor, superb low-light performance, and 5-axis image stabilization, making it perfect for handheld shooting. It also shoots 4K video and has excellent battery life. This camera is best for travel photographers who want versatility and high-quality results in a compact body. If you have the budget, another great purchase for your travel is our best high-end mirrorless camera, Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 is a top-tier option for professionals and serious enthusiasts. It boasts a 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, 8K video capabilities, and advanced autofocus with eye tracking. Its weather-sealed build makes it durable enough for adventure travel, and the in-body image stabilization ensures sharp handheld shots. This camera is perfect for those who want ultra-high-quality images and videos in a diverse travel environment. Next option is our best DSLR for travel, Canon EOS R5 Mark IV. If you prefer the traditional DSLR experience, the Canon EOS R5 Mark IV is an excellent choice. It offers pro-level image quality with a 30.4-megapixel full-frame sensor, excellent color accuracy, and fast autofocus. Its rugged, weather-sealed build makes it durable for outdoor adventures, and it has a long battery life. This camera is best for travelers who want the flexibility of interchangeable lenses and don't mind carrying a bit more weight. And now, our best travel camera option for extreme travel and wildlife adventures, Nikon Z9. For extreme travel and wildlife photography, the Nikon Z9 is unmatched. It features a 45.7-megapixel full-frame sensor, blazing fast 20 frames per second raw shooting, and a professional-grade autofocus system. Its rugged, weather-sealed build can handle the toughest conditions, and it shoots 8K video. This camera is best for wildlife photographers, adventure travelers, and professionals who need top-tier performance. So there you have it, an in-depth look at some of the best travel cameras for every type of photographer. Whether you're snapping shots with a compact option like the Sony RX100, capturing memories on a budget with the Canon G7X Mark II, or diving into professional photography with the Nikon Z9, there's a perfect travel camera out there for you. These cameras aren't just tools, they're your companions in documenting adventures and creating lasting memories. Have you tried any of these cameras? What's your go-to travel camera? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tap the notification bell for more photography tips and travel guides. Thanks for watching. This is Trusted Shopping Guide, where shopping knows no borders.